Welcome into Remio. I'm going to show you how to do your basic movements. So if you hold your controllers up to your face, you'll see that it shows you what the different buttons mean. So to move the teleport, you're going to use those orange Y and B buttons. If you aim the rays at the floor and hold down that Y or that B, you'll see this white puddle. And then once you release the button, you'll shoot to that spot. So you can do this on the left controller or on the right controller. To pick something up, we'll go over here, for example. You're going to use this green grab trigger on your right or on your left. It's that side trigger, and you're going to grab it and hold it. So to throw it, you'll just throw the ball and then release it there. If you want to drop something, you just let go of that object, or what you can do is hit your X or A button. So I'll show you that over here. So if we have a gun or a bow in our hand, we pick it up using that grab trigger. If I want to drop it, I'm going to use that X button on my left. And then it would be the A button on my right controller. So you can just hit A and it will drop. To jump, you can do a double tap with your right joystick. Just push the joystick down and you'll jump up. And then to move, if you also want to move in more of a continuous way, you can go into your wristwatch menu, and then up in settings, you can change the movement from teleport to continuous. So with teleport, you only move using those Y and B buttons and your right joystick. You can also push that forward. Or if you do continuous, you can glide with your left controller.